Hello, welcome back to Calendar. It's Monday. We've made it to Monday. Do you remember how we spell Monday? Monday. It is Monday. Let's take a look when we move it over. It is Monday, March the 8th. And it's almost Kylie's birthday. Just one more day. We have 3 birthdays this week. We have Kylie's birthday on the 9th. We have Monzi's birthday on the 12th. And Shaylin has a birthday over the weekend on Saturday. So we'll get to sing to her on Friday since we won't be with her on Saturday. It's a not school day. But today, for now, it is Monday. Monday. Today is Monday. Okay, today I'm going to show you some time on my big analog clock. And you're going to write it on your digital clock. So if my analog clock says this, what time is it? Hip hop, it's, did you say 4 o'clock? Our hour hand is pointing right at the 4. Our minute hand is all the way up here at the 12. It is 4 o'clock. So on our digital clock, we should write a 4 for that hour and 00 for our minutes, because when it's o'clock, it's a new hour. 0 minutes have passed 4 o'clock. Oops, I'm writing on my table on accident. Okay, let's see what our number today is. Today's number is 65. Here it is, 65. So if I want to write 65, the numeral is a 6 and a 5. If I want to write the number word, we have 60, has that S-I-X-T-Y. Then our number word for 5 is F-I-V-E. So our number word is 65. That's how we write it. Still a 2-digit number, so it should tell us how many tens and how many ones we have. What do we see? How many tens should there be in this number? Did you say 6? There are 6 tens. If there are 6 tens, how many ones? 5 ones. 6 tens, 5 ones. Okay, try to show 65 with your base 10 blocks. What would 65 look like with your base 10 blocks? Think about how many tens and ones we just said. So what would that look like for base 10 blocks? Do you have 6 big lines for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60? And then 5 ones, 6 tens, 5 ones is what that looks like. So 65 then, if we want to show a number sentence, think about its expanded form, we would have 60. There's our number 60. And 5, and we just got to remember to put that plus, right? 60 plus 5, it's like saying we have 60 plus 5 more, right? All right, with 65, let's think what's 1 less. The number that comes just before it is 64. Good. Our ones are changing, right? 5 ones, 1 less is 4. What would 1 more be? Thinking about those ones again, 1 more, we would have 6 tens still and 6 ones now, because 5 and 1 more is 6. If we count by 1, 64, 65, 66. It is right. Okay, now let's think about 10 less. It's like taking one of our tens away. then we would have 55. If we wanted 10 more, if I have 6 and added 1 more, then I'd have 7 tens and 5 ones, 75, 55, 65, 75. Very good. Okay, we need to add a straw. We had 64 days of school on Friday. So or 64. I'm talking about our 60s. We had 4 ones. We had 110 and 100. 110, 100, 110, 1, 4. That was 114. We're adding 1 more. We always start with our 1. So if we have 4 and 1 more, now we have 5. So we have 5 ones, still 1 group of 10, and still 1 group of 100. So that's 100, 110, 5 ones. 115. Let's see if that's right. We were at 114. 1 more is 115. We are 115 days smarter. That means I also get to add a bug. Ooh, it looks like we've added all the bugs. We're going to come back and add another bee. Zzz, there it is. 110 and 5 more does get us to 115. All right, our last thing for calendar before we go today, we want to show 71 cents to make our piggy bank full. So if we want to show 71 cents, can you think of a way that I could show 71? I know sometimes we like to start by counting those tens. We could do 7 dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That would get us 70 cents. And then 1 more dime. 1 more penny, 71. We could do 7 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excuse me. And a penny. Or I know that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 5 of these dimes is the same as 2 quarters. They're worth 50 cents, 2 quarters. So 50, 60, 71 cents is another way to do it. I could break one of these quarters up. I know a quarter's worth 25, so I could do a quarter, 10, 25. So it could be a quarter, 4 dimes, a nickel and a penny. Let's see if that works. 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Now 5 more, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, and 1 more. That was 3 different ways to show 71 cents. Nice job. I'll see you tomorrow for Tuesday calendar.